have just received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Rock Cave, UPSHUR County. The West Virginia State Police are looking for SHAINA Nicole TENNEY, a white female, 16 years old, 5 feet 2 inches tall and 225 pounds, with black hair and hazel eyes. The child was last seen at a residence located in Rock Cave, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The child was last seen wearing black stretch pants, gray shirt with a black or gray hoodie, and white tennis shoes. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by a family member by the name of Marjorie TENNEY, who is 5 feet 8 inches tall and 200 pounds, with blue eyes, and wearing a black sweatshirt with blue jeans and Red Wing boots. They may be traveling in a 1999 Dodge Dually extended cab, red in color, with unknown registration, which was last seen traveling West Virginia Route 20 southbound near the UPSHUR and Webster County line. If you have any information on the whereabouts of SHAINA Nicole TENNEY, please contact the West Virginia State Police Buchanan Detachment at 304-473-4200 or the West Virginia State Police, your local 911, or star SP on your cell phone.